Hi everyone, Shane here at Southeast Motorcycles, and today we have for you a test ride of this 2017 FLRT, the Freewheeler. So we're going to take it for a spin. If you're new to the trikes, they're a lot of fun. So let's go. So as I step onto this floorboards, obviously, I can actually use this to mount and lift and step up and over. Now on the other side, if you see down there, there's obviously not going to be a jiffy stand, so they have this brake that you press and release. You see how I start to roll back a little bit? 2,137 miles on this bike. And let's go. So obviously this is going to be a 2017, so Milwaukee 8 107 cubic inch motor, so a ton of power. Right away you can feel that acceleration. Now this bike does have Mini-ape style chiseled handlebars that you can see. They're definitely a good height, probably for my reach need to be pulled back a little bit. I got a heel toe shifter. Now, if you've never ridden a trike before, obviously your feet stay on the floorboards. Okay, so that's one of the big things. You know, when I had to start moving these trikes around the showroom, I'd always have my feet down, and people would say, hey, put your feet up. Yeah, you definitely don't want to keep your feet down. God forbid something happens, you know, and you get caught underneath the vehicle. But anyhow, the trike, they give you a bigger rake out in front, and they add a steering stabilizer. I'll show you that when we pull over. And then as far as the turning, notice how I'm kind of pulling and pushing a little bit more. So I was making a right-hand turn, I was pulling the right side and kind of pushing forward a little bit more on the left. Obviously you have to account for the two big wheels in the back and obviously your fenders. So you want to take your turns wider. There's obviously going to be no leaning. But that steering stabilizer out in front kind of counters the fact that you're on three wheels instead of two. It just takes some getting used to. So this trike does have the air shocks. It is a 2017. They have since changed that in 2019 to the emulsion coil suspension. So this one does have the air ride. In the front you'll have the Showa dual bending valve, which really just keeps that front wheel solid on the ground. The trikes, the great part about the trikes is you can ride them all day long. So I sell a lot of these, and a lot of the guys, you know, that I sell them to are making a transition from two wheels onto three wheels. And, you know, expectedly they're a little apprehensive about getting on three wheels. But every one of these I sell, the person comes back a few months later and says, the longer I have it, the more I love it. One of the great features is that you don't have to stand it up. Alright? So if you're talking about riding two up, you know, long distance, you don't have to worry about dropping it. So a little maneuvering there. There's my U-turn. So yeah, this one's got a lot of goodies on it too. Blacked out lower forks with the nut covers, LED light, turn signals with the smoke lens. Obviously the bars, the mirrors, the luggage rack and back. And then this is your steering stabilizer right here, if you can get a good look at that. So bigger rake in the front. Overall, I mean, this is just a fun bike, fun trike. Here's your trunk in the back. But make sure you watch the walk around video of this bike. I keep calling it a bike, this trike. But if you got any questions, visit our website, southeastharley.com, or feel free to give me a call at 440-439-5300. Come in and let's take this for a test ride. Thanks for watching, folks. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.